So now I'm going to show you how to work the purlwise knit front and back. And the first step is to slip one stitch knitwise. So you insert your needle from the left towards the right. After that, you put it back to your left needle. And then you're going to purl this stitch through the front leg. So bring the yarn forward, purl this stitch, and then with your left needle, lift the right leg of the stitch below the one just worked. So this is the strand that I have to lift. You can see this is the last stitch, and I have to lift this strand in the front, and then I have to put this stitch through the back loop, which is this strand. So this is it. You can do it again. First, slip one stitch knitwise, place it back on the left needle, then you are going to purl the stitch, wrap the yarn and bring out your needle, and with the tip of your left needle, lift the right leg of the stitch and purl into the back loop. Now we repeat the procedure by holding the yarn with your right hand. Slip one stitch knitwise, place it back to your left needle, and purl this stitch. Yarn forward, wrap the yarn around it, bring it out, and with the tip of your left needle, you are going to lift this strand of yarn. This way you can see better. I'm going to lift this strand of yarn, then purl through the back loop of it, wrap the yarn and pull it out.